So let's do these calculations together, and then you can try the couple practice problems on the next page to kind of remember this from last week. So this says you are going to deposit $4,000. That's your principal. An annual interest rate is 6%, but how often is it compounded? It's compounded continuously. So you're using this formula for continuous interest. How much do you have after 1 year and then after 10 years? So I take my principal of 4,000. I do not need to write that 1 plus 1 over n because E does it for me. E is that continuously compounded interest. And then I need to raise it to the rate, which is 6%. So I do 0.06 times the number of years, which is just 1. And E is the button on your calculator above the division symbol. So what do you get when you take 4,000 E and you raise it to the 0.06 power, right? So, oops. All right, so 4,000 E, and then in the exponent is the 0.06 power, gives me 4247. Did you get that one okay? So now you try it for 10 years. Yep, they're right there on that. 42, 47, and 35 cents. You do it for 10 years. And 2,000 times 1.915. So which one's better? We know continuous is going to be better, right? So let's see. For the first one, did you get 21.99? Round to the nearest penny, although the bank would round down. So the bank would have probably only given you 31 cents in your account. They're not going to give you money. And then 21.90. So it was a difference of $9 after 1 year. So nothing too crazy, but it's still better. All right, and then number 7, we looked at one of these for up top, number 4. This is how much money needs to be invested. So we do not know our principal, right? How much do I need in my retirement account? Or how much do I need in a, I'm saving for a new car. I'm only getting 4%. It's compounded continuously, and I'm going to leave it in the account for 10 years. I need there to be 150,000 at the end. So I need there to be 150,000, but I don't know how much to invest for my principal. E, because it's continuous, and then 0.04 times 10 years. And this is a problem we don't have to guess and check on because this is a number. I can take E, raise it to the 0.04 times 10. That will be a number. So whatever that number is, you're going to take 150,000 and divide by that number to move it to the other side. So how much do we need to invest? 100,000? 60,000? So see how much you would need to invest. Try to use all the decimal places so it's as exact as possible. So I got 100,000. 548. 548.01 if I round it up. Did people get that successfully? I do it in one fell swoop on my calculator just because I don't like to have to do separate steps. So I know that I'm going to be dividing by this amount. I don't need parentheses because the exponent kind of already is the parentheses in the denominator. So I took 150,000 and divided by basically my compound interest to see how much I have to invest. All right, so you I'd like you to use the formulas and take, I don't know, about 5 minutes and try the guided practice. If you get done with page 309 and you're waiting for me to check your answers, you're going to skip 310 and jump over to page 311 for some review of exponent properties. And then if we get done, we'll go back to 310. I want to make sure we have enough time to do the review. All right, so 309 is what you're trying to do.